All right, we're at 2018 SHOT Show, and Cameron is holding a unicorn ridden by a leprechaun married to a fairy princess. That would be a Desert Tech MDR. I've had one of these on order for nearly 2 years and haven't been able to get them to deliver one yet. What I'd like to say is that they were the ones who first came out with this style of a bullpup 308, but my big fear is that if they don't start shipping these guns soon, everybody's going to accuse the MDR of being nothing but a copy of a 308 Tavor. What it has, it's got the ability to switch between 5.56 and 7.62, really unique ejection port system. But once again, you know, a picture in a catalog or a picture in a magazine only goes so far when you really want to buy one. So I would encourage Desert Tech, go ahead and start shipping these guns out before everyone who possibly would want one buys a Tavor in 308.